Hey guys, it's Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. I'm going to keep this quick. I'm in a customer's garage. I normally don't do videos about towels, but Ian from Autofiber, I just had a replacement part sent for my IK foamer, and he threw this in there. Ian, thank you so much. I want to give credit where credit is due. You make awesome towels, but I guess I just assume the towel will let me down eventually because it always does, right? It breaks down, it lints, it goes bad, and that is life of a towel. If you treat it well, it will last longer, blah, blah, blah. So I just try to manage my expectations with towels, which is why I'm so excited to tell you guys about this, the Amphibian. I just tried this whole freaking Tesla with it. Oh my gosh. So you may recognize the gray, right? I'm pretty sure this is the Dreadnought, and it just sucks in moisture like crazy. And then the other side of the towel is super, super fluffy. What I love about it is you have the variety, right? You can go for the fluffiness, and if you need a little bit more grit, if you just need to suck up a little bit more water, obviously you want to fold this into fours and dry the car as safely as possible. But if you just need a little bit more grit, and you just need to dry up a little more water, you've got this towel. Like I said, I just dried this whole towel. So yeah, it's a little bit moist, but I don't know if you can see that moisture there. So I've got the grit here to just mop up a lot of this moisture, and then I could just follow up flipping it over, because I feel like this side with just a really soft GSM is also thirsty. Like, it will take a lot of moisture as well. I don't know where it's all going. Like I said, I have been basically drying this entire vehicle, so I'm on a window here, so I may want a little more grit, yeah? Almost kind of like a waffle weave kind of grit. That always helps on windows. You can be a little bit more aggressive there. But if I want to follow up with my final wipe down of just a soft, plush, smooth finish, and I know that's just drying streaks, cleaning streaks that are going to dry on me. So, man, you guys, like I said, a short video, way shorter than usual. I just got to give credit where credit is due. This is a killer towel. I think I just looked on the website. It's $19.95. You know, I like the Dreadnought. People love the Dreadnought, okay? I like the Dreadnought. I've never been like, this is my favorite towel, but people love the Dreadnought. Why would they love the Dreadnought? Because it sucks up water insanely. And the Amphibian, I guess, is probably the idea, being that it can go underwater, because this just sucks up water on both sides. I can dry it with this side if I want to, and that's a nice smooth dry. Or if I just want a little more bite, just want a nice amount of padding there. You could fold it into fours or just nice and gentle and just kind of like that. Hit the windows again, and wow. Like I said, a lot of these streaks are going to dry down, but very impressed with I think the Amphibian drying towel from Autofiber. If you guys haven't checked Autofiber out, definitely should. Ian runs an awesome company. He really cares about customer feedback. If you tell him you're having an experience with the towel, and then he hears something else, and then he hears something else, you better believe the next version of that towel is going to be updated with you in mind. Like, he takes you into consideration when he's making these towels so that you can be better at your job, more efficient, and they're so good that you want to come back and buy more, right? That's a great business model. So anyway, guys, just one of the good guys in the industry, Ian at Autofiber. Love this new towel. You guys should go check it out if you're in the market for something that will suck up water and be fun to use.